Deanna said, I ain't at it. It's reading 158:59.
It go up and come down.
And you trying to kill the child?
No way.
She's sitting there holding the thing down on her stomach so hard.
Well, the slightest move, I lose it.
Oh,
The slightest move, I lose it. I went to the doctor's earlier. It was 160 something.
oh.
So I know I'm in the right spot.